Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Noah. My name is Whitney.
Very good. How old are you, Dean? I'm 3.
I'm 5 years old.
Wow. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Japan.
You're also from Japan, like to win? What's the traditional dress of Japan?
Yeah, just kidding.
Just kidding. Where are you from?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Vietnam. Very good. Vietnam. Do you love Vietnam? Yes. Okay. What is the name of your school?
Globosar.
Yeah, I thought.
Globosar.
Yeah.
Globosar.
Good job. High five. One more. Let's read. What does she do?
Yeah, the nurse.
Yes. What does she do?
Talk about.
That's right.
Hey.
Yay! Next one. Dean, look at me. Very good. Bell.
Santa bell.
What is Santa holding?
Bell.
That's right. Santa is holding a bell. What's the sound of the bell?
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
And who's beside Santa? Who's this? Or what is it? It's a rain.
Ready.
That's right.
It's a lawman.
What's in the nose of the snowman? What's that? What
Carrot.
does she do? She is.
She is.
Yeah, she is a vet. Next.
She is
Ah,
a doctor.
that's right. Hey, Rara! What is family? Do you love your family? Yes. Can you say, I love my family? Very good. Next one, Dean, who's this? Who's this one? This one. Grandpa. See? What? He sells medicine. He is a farmer. Okay, last question, Ava. What do you want to be when you grow up? Or what do you want to be? What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a dancer.
Wow, why do you want to be a dancer?
I want to dance.
Because you like to dance?
She is pharmacist.
Yes. Okay, since we're talking about jobs and occupations, what would you like to do when you grow up?
I want to be a policeman.
Yes. Why do you want to be a policeman?
I cut a people.
Good job.